2025 XQ-58A Valkyrie, covering its design, tech, and operational implication. Introduction and context. Originally unveiled in 2019 as part of the U.S. Air Force Experimental Low-Cost Attritable Strike Demonstrator LCAST, the XQ-58A Valkyrie by Kratos has evolved beyond its initial disposable concept. Intended as a stealthy, cost-effective loyal wingman, it partners with fighter jets to extend mission reach while minimizing risk to human pilots. Design and stealth features. Crafted with a trapezoidal fuselage, V-tail, and S-shaped intake, the Valkyrie maintains a low radar cross-section, less stealthy than F-22F-35, but sufficient for contested environments. With a wingspan of 8.2 m and length 9.1 m, it hits Mach 0.72 to 0.85, cruises near Mach 0.72, at altitudes up to 13,700 m 45,000 feet. Variants and launch recovery modes. The original XQ-58A launch methods: 1 rail launched with JATO boosters. 2 trolley launch with parachute airbag recovery. In April 2025, Kratos revealed a third variant, a CTOL-HTOL conventional takeoff and landing model equipped with retractable tricycle landing gear. This adds runway flexibility, though internal payload drops from 4 to 2 GBU-39 slots. Endurance, payload and cost. With a stated max takeoff weight of 2,722 kilograms and over 4,000 kilometers, range 2,500 miles, it endures beyond 10 hours. It carries modular payloads, GBU-39 SDBs, Altia 600 recon drones, sensors, or electronic warfare pods. Estimated production costs: 4 m per unit at 50 units year, possibly dropping to 2 m at higher volume, making it cheaper than many cruise missiles. Connectivity and autonomy. The Valkyrie supports AI-enabled autonomy for complex missions, mission planning, threat avoidance, target selection, while interoperating with manned aircraft and other assets via tactical data links. Crucially, it integrates Link 1.6 communication, enabling real-time coordination with NATO networks. Operational testing and performance. In late 2024, during Emerald Flag exercises, the Valkyrie flew 4 times alongside F-35Bs and F-15Es, showcasing its loyal wingman interoperability, data sharing in kill chains, and semi-autonomous control via manned and ground stations. Reports highlight its debut with Marines Link 1.6 and offboard control from Eglin AFB. Strengths and advantages. Cost effectiveness: at 2.4 m per unit, it's affordable relative to crewed fighters or missiles. Flexibility: multiple deployment methods and new landing gear variants support diverse missions. Team synergy: proven in manned-unmanned teaming, bolsters ISR and electronic warfare support. Modularity: payload versatility from EU pods to mini UAVs empowers varied role sets. Limitations and considerations. Payload reduction: CTOL variant sacrifices internal bay capacity from 4 to 2 SDBs. Moderate stealth: still less stealthy than top-tier fighters. High AOA performance: top-mounted intake may limit maneuverability at high angles, but Valkyrie isn't built for dogfights. Conclusion. The 2025 XQ-58A Valkyrie emerges as a highly capable attritable drone, stealthy, flexible, and network-enabled. Its evolving CTOL configuration enhances runway utility and mission cycle speed. Integration of Link 1.6 and autonomy shows maturity in teaming with fifth-generation fighters. While not a direct fighter jet replacement, it excels as a supportive, force-multiplying platform, resilient, disposable, and able to shoulder high-risk roles. With ongoing development XQ-58B EU variant, export potential, Valkyrie is well positioned in future collaborative combat scenario. Highlights Valkyrie's innovation, testing success, and strategic promise.